Hi guys, again it's me, Imee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be doing a quick review about this Cathydoll CC Cream. And I bought it in Watson for 39 pesos and it has SPF 50 PA+++. But before doing this fresh look, makeup look using this, we'll discuss first ano ba yung mga differences ng AE cream, BB cream, and CC cream. So last video ko, ginawan ko ng review yung AE cream by Cathydoll. And this one naman has SPF 45 PA+++. So, based on my research, ang AE cream daw, it stands for anti-aging. And this cream helps your skin slow down the signs of aging that usually appears in your 30s. So, during this time, wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots come more easily and takes longer to fade. So, the most prominent ingredients sa AE cream daw ay alpha hydroxy acids or the AHA, antioxidants, peptides, and retinol. So one example here is the Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Day Cream Natural, and also this Cathydoll AE Cream. Tapos, yung BB Cream naman, this is the most popular product in the skincare alphabet. And it's first popularized in South Korea. BB Cream goes and beyond by providing coverage and multiple skincare benefits. Also, it offers sunscreen, hydrating boosters, and coverage. Despite this, its texture is very light, which makes it ideal for everyday use, quick and natural. So, if you're not into the no makeup look, you need to use BB cream. Usually, yung mga BB cream yun yung may mga white cast kasi sila yung may mga sunscreen protection like itong Cathydoll. It also has SPF. So, CC cream stands for color correcting. It's best used before applying foundation because it corrects discoloration on your face such as dark circles, spots, hyperpigmentation. They often come into variety colors meant for targeting different skin issues like peach for covering up dark pigmentation, green for redness, lavender for dull skin. So yung CC cream, it can be used on top of your foundation because it corrects any dark circles, spots, and hyperpigmentation. So, but for now, tatry ko lang naman muna ito alone if maganda siya. So, now sa application itong CC cream from Cathydoll. And ganito yung itsura niya. Para siyang lotion and maputi siya. Ayan. Diba? Pag biniblend in mo, nag-iwan siya ng white cast. So, try natin sa face. As you can see, ang dami kong pimple lately. I don't know why. Maybe siguro sa puyat. Ayan, meron ako dyan. Tingnan natin kung matatakpan ng CC cream. Tapos, hindi ako by the way, wala akong nilagay na kahit ano. Wala akong nilagay na primer or anything sa face ko. So, testing natin tong CC cream kung matatakpan niya yung mga darkness sa aking face. So, let's start muna dito. I'll be using my finger kasi since hindi naman thick yung texture nito. Let's put on one side of my face muna. Para siyang lotion yung texture niya. And may konting amoy, may konting scent, pero okay naman siya. May pimple ako dyan. So, ayun siya on one side of my face. Parang even out na yung skin ko. Para nag-lighten. Pero nandyan pa rin yung mga spot ng pimple ko. So, dagdagan pa natin. Tingnan natin kung may improve pa niya yung coverage. Dito sa dark circles ko. Sabi, it can correct dark circles and hyperpigmentation. I don't know kung meron pang ibang shade nito kasi ito lang yung nakita ko doon, light beige. Check natin. I'll check. Titingnan ko kung meron pang shade. Titingnan ko may iba pang shade sa website nila. So that's on one side of my face. As you can see na even out na yung skin tone ko. Nag-lighten. Medyo natakpan niya ng konti, pero visible pa rin yung mga pimple marks ko dyan. And dito nag-brighten sa under eye area ko. And then after applying, medyo sticky pa siya, but then let's see if it will set after a minute or two. So let's proceed on the other side. Ganun din, one pump muna, or one pump muna. Ayan, may pimple ako dyan. Tingnan natin kung matatakpan niya rin. Tapos may itim yung under eye ko. Puyat ako lately. Puyat naman ako palagi. So, for CC Cream, for CC Cream, naman ganitong consistency, magandang gamitin nyo yung kamay nyo. Kasi kapag ginimitan nyo siya ng sponge, makakain lang ng sponge yung product. Since lightweight naman tong consistency niya, so okay lang na cream or hand yung daliri yung gamitin nyo. So, ayan siya. Nakita nyo na mas maputi na ngayon yung mukha ko sa leeg ko. So, lagyan natin yung leeg ko para pumantay naman siya. Since Miss SPF naman to, so maganda rin to ilagay sa leeg. So, ayan na siya after applying CC Cream. As you can see, pumuti or nag-brighten yung skin ko, diba? Unlike kanina. And then, after a few minutes, nag-set naman siya. Hindi na siya ganun ka-sticky. Hi guys! I'm back. So, ito na yung final look natin using the Cathydoll CC Cream. So, what are my thoughts about this product? Upon application, it brightens up right away my skin. As you can see kanina, super dull ng skin ko. Meron akong mga dark circles dito. Halatang halata yung mga pimple marks ko. Pero upon application, nakita nyo, na-lighten up. Even though hindi niya talaga na-cover, pero na-lighten up naman yung mga dark spots ko. And nag-brighten up yung under eye ko kanina. So, hindi ako nag-concealer, just the CC cream lang. And nakita nyo, naniligyan ko rin yung leeg ko. Parang nag-freshen up or parang naging fresh agad yung face ko. So, super maganda siya. And after a minute or two, so after 5 minutes yata, na nasa face ko siya, wala na siyang stickiness. Wala na akong stickiness na nararamdaman sa kanya. Even though nag-set ako ng powder dito, but dito hindi ako nag-set. So, okay naman siya and very lightweight. Parang walang nakalagay sa face mo. Super lightweight and very comfortable. Very comfortable siya sa face. So, I highly recommend this CC cream sa mga students since it's ready available sa Watsons. If you're a high school student and college student and you don't want to use heavy foundation on your skin, so I highly recommend this one. It's for 39 pesos. Magagamit mo siya ilang beses. And super mura, 39 pesos lang. And para sa mga fresh and look lang. And also, bagay ito sa mga mami rin na ayaw ng walang time para mag-makeup ng matagal. Alam ko, danas ko yan na wala talaga tayong time. Pero, ito, very easy application lang. You can use your finger and that's it. Just blend it in, sama mo yung leeg mo. And it also, most especially, meron siyang skincare benefits. So, it has SPF. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng sunscreen. You can use it alone kasi it has SPF 45 already. But, as I mentioned, also, sabi kanina doon sa binasa ko, na it can also use on top of your foundation. Siguro tatry ko siya minsan as a base, as my base, and then lalagyan ko siya ng foundation. Titingnan ko kung anong effect niya kung mas maganda ba yung coverage, kung talagang magiging flawless yung skin ko at matatakpan niya yung mga discoloration and hyperpigmentation sa face ko. So, I hope nakatulong tong video na to and yung nag-request about the review about CC Cream. So, it's a thumbs up for me. Maganda siya. Cathydoll Cream and CC Cream. Maganda siya. And matte yung finish niya. So, highly recommended sa mga oily skin and oily to normal or oily to combination skin. So, I hope you like this short video about this CC Cream from Cathydoll. And please share some love by subscribing to my channel. And also please click the notification button to be notified for my future upload. Again, just comment down below if you have requests for product reviews or first impression reviews. And I'll highly appreciate that. So thank you again so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!